Today, I'm going to share with you how I built a $1 million Amazon FBA business with 0 employees. And on top of that, how I did it without reporting to a boss, working from wherever in the world I want and only working a couple hours per week. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. And in the last 12 months, my Amazon FBA business has done over $1.1 million. And here is proof right there. My main account has done just over $742,000. And my second account has done just over $438,000. Now, I share that with you just to let you know that what I teach is what I implement in my own Amazon FBA business. And in today's video, I'm going to open up the curtains and I'm going to share with you guys the #1 secret that has allowed me to scale my Amazon FBA business to that 7-figure mark with 0 employees. Now, to give you a little backstory, 7 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job in construction that I just didn't like. But as I was going from job to job, I would listen to audiobooks. And I picked up this book right here, The 4-Hour Workweek. Well, I didn't pick it up. I was listening to it. And as I was listening to it, driving to the different jobs, I was listening to the stories that they talk about of these individuals that were making tens of thousands of dollars every single month, working a couple hours a week, all from the comfort of their home. And I was like, how is this possible? I'm over here grinding and working and pouring my blood, sweat, and tears into this job, and I'm making $3,000 a month. Like, I just wasn't getting a lot out of it. And that's what got me thinking. And at first, I was a doubter. I was a hater. And I was like, this can't be right. This can't be possible. But fast forward a few months later, a friend of mine introduced me to the business model called Amazon FBA. And that's what we're going to be talking about, is selling products on Amazon. If you guys have never heard about Amazon, you probably have. Just a quick nutshell. So we know Amazon, it's one of the largest platforms where you can literally buy anything. You buy it and you get products shipped to your door in a span of 1 to 2 days and sometimes hours. And so that's Amazon. You buy any product, but then FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So this is when I kind of had my aha moment. So if we come over here and we dive into my screen and we come to Amazon, and let's say I'm a shoe addict and I'm addicted to buying shoes, and so I need a place to display them. So I come to Amazon, I search shoe display, and then I come over here, and at this particular product, I've actually bought 5 of them. This is a true story. And you can see right here, if we zoom in, you can see that it's sold by ForZachX, but it ships from Amazon. And I didn't realize this. I thought that every product that I bought on Amazon was actually from Amazon, but it's not that. You're buying the product from a seller just like me, but Amazon is doing the shipping. And that's when I had my aha moment of, wait a minute, I can leverage Amazon's infrastructure, their systems, to build and grow my business. And that's the secret. Building out systems, automating the process to build and grow your business. And I'm going to be saying systems, processes, and automation like 5 million times in this video, but that's the message that I want to get across to you, is how can you implement systems in your business that free up your time, that give you more flexibility, yet make you more money. And I'll give you guys real life examples. So we'll come over here, and the first system that comes to my mind when it comes to selling on Amazon is finding a winning product. And so when I'm doing product research, I'm not guessing. I have a system, I have a framework, I have a step-by-step process of this has to be checked off in order for me to continue moving forward with this particular product. So right here, I've got the criteria for a good product. We've got #1, low competition. Okay, does it have low competition? If it doesn't, well, I move on, go to the next one. I save a lot of time just by looking at that. The second one, high demand. Does it have demand? If it doesn't, well, I move on. But if it does, then I go to the third one. What's the unique selling point? Well, if I can figure that out, then I go to the fourth one. Am I profitable? If I am, I go to the next one. And just like that, I'm not guessing. And every single time that I do product research, I have the perfect step-by-step system that's duplicatable and replicatable, and I'm not guessing. So if you guys want access to this framework, if you guys want access to this system, if you want access to this criteria, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll send it to you completely free, no strings attached. All you need to do is say, hey, Trevin, winning product criteria, and you have to be following me. So this is the first system that I've built out that allows me to find products way quicker, that eliminates the guesswork, and I'm not guessing, is this a good product or not? I know it's a good product because it checks off the boxes inside my systems and processes that I've built out. So that's the first way that I've implemented systems inside my business, other than actually just using Amazon to build and and grow my business. So the next one is, for example, when I go to launch a product, I know exactly what I need to do to get the listing ready, to get my images, to create the perfect title, bullet points, description. I know how to market my product to get it ranked to the first page. I have literally a step-by-step system that breaks down every single step to the process. And once you do it once, you just replicate it. And then you do it twice, and then you do it a third time. And then it just becomes like clockwork, and you just understand how to do it, and it becomes second nature. And so as you build out these systems and you write them down and you have the frameworks, you have the SOPs, and you know what you're doing, your life becomes easier and easier and easier. That first product, yeah, there's going to be bumps in the road, but that second product, it's going to be a lot easier because you have the systems in place, you know the process. And then that third product, fourth product, and me, I'm 75 products deep later, I can launch a product basically with my eyes closed because I understand the process. Another great system and process that I've built out is getting reviews. If I need to get reviews, well, I know exactly what to do. Here's 4 easy ways. And I come right here and I'm like, okay, the first way to get reviews, set up the request a review automation. I have the steps to set that up, so I just follow the steps. The second one is using thank you card inserts. I have the template, I have the designers, and I send it to them, and they just do it. And it's because I have the system in place, and it's just, there's no guessing. This is how it's done. The next one is using Instagram to get reviews. The next one is using an Amazon Vine program to get reviews. There's systems for literally everything. And if you can do that, your life becomes a lot easier, and it frees up your time and allows you to focus in other aspects. Or the best part is it gives you more time to enjoy with your family and your loved ones. And that's why I love an Amazon business, is you can systematize basically everything, and you don't need to have 5 million employees that you have to watch and oversee 24/7. That's what's incredible about this opportunity. So those are some systems in terms of the selling on Amazon process. So now let's talk about automations that you can do inside your business once you actually start selling. And this is where you can really make a lot of money, you can save a lot of time, and it's by using software tools that literally automate your entire process. So the first tool that I absolutely love is a tool called Sellerboard. I'll put all the links of everything that I recommend down below. I have special discounts for you guys as well. So right here, you can sign up for Sellerboard. You get 2 months completely free. And I use it for this inventory planner. This inventory planner is game changer. So as you have 10, 20, 30, 50 products, it gets complicated. And you don't know what's running out of stock, what's performing well, what's not, and do you need to reorder or not? And right here, it shows you days of stock left. I've got 55 days. I don't need to reorder this for 64 days. I'm good. But right here, I've got 6 days left of stock, but I've got some in the prep center, so I've got 36 days. But if we come right here, we're going to see that I've got 30 days left, but the days until reorder is 0. So I better have reordered that 5 days ago, 10 days ago, so that I don't run out of stock. And this is a simple software tool that's literally automated. It just plugs into my Amazon account, and it lets me know, okay, I need to reorder. And then once I know I need to reorder, I click a button and I say, supplier, I need 100 more units, or I need 1,000 more units, or I need 10,000 units, and it's done. It took me 2 seconds. Didn't require much effort. So that's what I'm talking about with these automations and softwares that just make your life easier. Another great software that is going to help you automate and save you a lot of time is called GetTita. What they do is they actually go in and audit Amazon and get money back that Amazon owes you. So they go in and get reimbursement. And I don't have the time to do this, nor do I have the skill set to be able to do it, nor do I have the time. And so what I can do is I can sign up for a service called GetTita, and they do it 100% on autopilot for you. And the only time that you pay them is if they get you money back. So if you get $100 back, you pay GetTita $25. And I have a special coupon code where you get $400 completely free if you use code Trevin400. This is a great service that I literally have set up, and I don't think about it ever, yet they're working on my account almost every single day. It's extremely powerful, so go get signed up for GetTita if you're a seller. The next service is called Helium 10. This is a fantastic service that there's kind of 2 main automations that I like to set up is Helium 10 alerts. So instead of you looking at your listing and account 24/7, which we all do and I try not to do, and this allows you to not do that, to know, oh, did I get a bad review, or did something happen, or did something change, or do I need to do this? Well, Helium 10 alerts is going to notify you as soon as your price changes, as soon as your listing gets suppressed, as soon as you get a negative review, as soon as you get a hijacker or whatever happens, anything bad, they're going to notify you. They'll text you and you'll get right on top of it and you'll know exactly what you need to fix. So you'll be that more efficient instead of you spending every single day of the hour looking at your account, making sure everything's good. You don't need to do that because Helium 10 will alert you if there is something that you need to fix. The next one is called Helium 10 Follow-Up. This is part of my review process, getting reviews. Every single time that you get an order, you can create an automation inside of Helium 10 Follow-Up for them to go in and request a review to the customer. If you were to do this manually, this would take you literally hours every single day. I get hundreds of orders every single day, and I don't have the time to go in and request a review from every single customer. Yet it's extremely valuable, but I just don't have the time. So I'm going to pay a simple monthly fee to have the software just do it for me, and I don't even have to think about it. It's done. It's set, automated. I don't need to worry about it. The next software that I absolutely love is called Bench. This is a done-for-you bookkeeping and accounting service. So I know a lot of sellers and a lot of new business owners, entrepreneurs, they get stressed out about taxes and bookkeeping, and rightfully so. I do too, and I did. I don't anymore because I have a service like Bench where they do it for me. I don't have to touch a single thing. I don't have to reconcile any of my bank statements. I don't have to pull any reports. I don't need to do any spreadsheets or any of that. I save hours because Bench is doing it for me, and it's a small monthly fee. And you guys can get signed up with a massive discount down below. And this alone has saved me literally hundreds of hours every single year because I just don't do it. And on top of that, they save me money on taxes because they do it right. And I'm not trying to, at the end of the year, scramble to catch up on past books. It's just done. It's out of the way. It's stress-free. That's how I like to create my life. And if there's stress involved, I'm not going to do it. And if there is stress, I'm going to figure out a way to get rid of that stress. And again, building out systems and automations to do that is game changer. So the last service that I want to talk about that is going to help you automate and systematize things is outsourcing your PPC management to an agency that does it for you. And what's cool is I actually created a company called Seller 360 that does just that. And the best part is it's the price of a software tool, yet you get the software plus you get us actually managing it for you. So instead of you spending hours and hours pulling reports, adjusting, trying to optimize your bids, we're just going to do it for you. And we'll save you tons of time, headache, and hassle. And then our goal is to increase profit margins, increase sales, which makes you more money. And so that extra money that you paid, well, you're making more than what you're paying us. And so it's a win-win. You win back time, you make more money, and it's less stress. That is the goal to building $1 million Amazon FBA business. If you can do that, systematize and create processes, automate things, your life is going to be a lot easier. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. And if you're like, Trevin, I'm still confused, I don't get this. Well, we have a step-by-step system completely built out inside of Amazon Champions where we will take you literally through every single step through the entire process. We have systems built out for finding products, to verifying products, to creating listings, to shipping your product to a fulfillment center, to launching your product, to getting reviews, to PPC, literally everything A to Z. We have the blueprint. And that's what I've been doing for the last 6 years, is building out these systems to make your life easier. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go to Amazon Champions, amzchampions.com. You guys can sign up for a completely free consultation. We'll see if we're a good fit. And if we are, we'd love to work with you. If not, take this free content, take this free information, all the resources will be down below, and implement. Create the processes that will make your life easier, systematize things, automate things, free up the time so you can go spend more time building, growing, making money in your business, or for me, spend more time with your family, your loved ones, traveling, enjoying the flexibility to do whatever you want, when you want. Amazon FBA has completely changed my life. I know it can change yours too. You just need to go for it. You need to put in the work. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.